All right, so break 4180. Here we are. Saturday night action. We'll wait a little bit. All right, so we got a Series 2 15-16 retail, a Series 1 17-16 retail, a Series 1 14-15 hobby, Series 2 16-17 retail. We got Eisen SP 10 17-18. We've got the Artifacts 18-19, and we also have our Splendor box to end the break. So let's do this. Good luck, everybody. Let's have some fun. That perfect. Close that first. All right, here we go. First box. So, Series 2 15-16, Jack Eichel Young Guns, that's for sure, but also McDavid Young Guns. You got McDavid POE. There we go. First pack, we start with a portraits for the Winnipeg Jets. Nick Pitta. Portraits for the Winnipeg Jets. Next, we got a Marky Ricky, Chicago Blackhawks. Or Timmy Panarin. Marky Ricky for the Chicago Blackhawks. Next, we got a canvas, Buffalo Sabres. Ryan O'Reilly canvas for Buffalo. Young Guns for the Vancouver Canucks, Jake Virtanen. Young Guns, Vancouver Canucks. Next, the rookie for the LA Kings, Derek Forbort. Rookie for the Los Angeles Kings. Canvas for the Edmonton Oilers, the worst canvas in this one. Edmonton Oilers, Nail Yakupov. On the side of McDavid, but it's not McDavid. So Nail Yakupov canvas for Edmonton. Next, we get a Marky rookie for the Vancouver Canucks, Jared McCann. Rookie for the Canucks. We get our base back. 4 base cards. 4 more base cards. Base back. Young Guns for the Chicago Blackhawks. Vincent Inostroza. Young Guns for the Chicago Blackhawks. Next, we got an update. Columbus. Brandon Saad. Update for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Portraits for the New York Islanders, Jean-François Billouin. New York Islanders portraits, pack number 12. Last pack of our first half, we got a Young Guns for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Marcus Anakainen. Young Guns for the Columbus Blue Jackets. So that was the first half. Second half. Pack 13 portraits for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Antoine Bibeau portraits for the Leafs. Next, the Marky Ricky, Washington Capitals, Chandler Stephenson. Marky Ricky for Washington. Next, we got a canvas, the Los Angeles Kings, Drew Doughty. Canvas for LA. Young Guns for the New Jersey Devils, Roman Nevarenka. New Jersey Devils, Young Guns. I can smell Jack coming. Next, we got a rookie materials. Calgary Flames, the one and only one, Emile Poirier, rookie materials for the Calgary Flames. Canvas for the Chicago Blackhawks, Teravainen. Canvas for Chicago. Next, we got a Marky rookie for the Buffalo Sabres, Linus Ullmark. Marky rookie for Buffalo. Next, we got an update for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Phil Kessel. Kessel update for Pittsburgh. Young guys for the Buffalo Sabres. Jack Eichel. I'll use a one-touch for it.
Got good value now.
Fine one. 31. Alright, so Buffalo Sabres again has Jack Eichel. Nice hit. Good start. He's a good player. He's a good one to have. So there you go, Buffalo. Jack Eichel, Young Guns. Next, we got a rookie for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sergei Plotnikov. The last 2 packs, 4 chests for the San Jose Sharks, Jonas Donskoy. Last pack of our first box. We got our last Young Guns for the Tampa Bay Lightning, Joel Vernon. Tampa Bay Lightning, Young Guns, Vernon. So that was Series 2, 15, 16. Nice one. Jack Eichel, Young Guns, but we did not get any canvas yet. Alright. Let's do our Series 1. 17. First pack, starting with a 4 chest New York Rangers, Ryan McDonough. McDonough 4 chests for the New York Rangers. Next one, we got a Shining Stars, Minnesota Wild, Michael Granlund. Granlund, Shining Stars from Minnesota. Really, Jeff? That's a good thing. Alright, third pack. We got a base pack. 4 base cards. 4 more base cards. Base pack. Next, we got a Young Guns for the Boston Bruins, and there's Juck. And there's Juck. Young Guns for Boston. Base pack. 4 base cards. 4 more base cards. Base pack. We got a canvas for the Coyotes, Ekman Larson. Ekman Larson canvas for the Coyotes. Next, we got a port chest for the New Jersey Devils, Terrell. Terrell port chest for the New Jersey Devils. Young Guns for the St. Louis Blues, Tage Thompson. Tage Thompson, Young Guns for the Blues. Next, we got a Shining Stars for the Nashville Predators, Ryan Johansson. Young Gun canvas for the Flyers, Nolan Patrick. So Young Gun canvas for the Flyers, Nolan Patrick. Nice hit for the Flyers. Pack 11, we got a base pack. 4 base cards. 4 more base cards, base pack, pack number 12. Last of our first pack, we got a Young Guns for the Colorado Avalanche, Tyson Jost. Tyson Jost, Young Guns for Colorado. Alright, pack 13, second. And we start with a port chest for the Edmonton Oilers, Leon Draisaitl. Draisaitl port chest for the Edmonton Oilers. Next, we got a UDM jersey, Carolina Hurricanes, Elias Lindholm. So good with Calgary this year. Elias Lindholm, UDM jersey, Carolina. Canvas for the Florida Panthers, Jason Demes. Florida Panthers canvas, Jason Demes. Next one is a Young Guns for the Nashville Predators, Vladislav Kamenev. Kamenev, Young Guns for Nashville. Shining Stars for Nashville, Victor Arvidsson. Victor Arvidsson, Shining Stars for Nashville. I was going to say Ryan Johansson. Yep. That was a base card. 4 base cards. 4 more base cards. Base card. Portraits for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Anthony Malkin. Malkin portrait Pittsburgh. We got a Young Guns for the New York Islanders. Josh Olsen. Josh Olsen, Young Guns for the Islanders. Next we got a canvas for the Buffalo Sabres. Jake McCabe. McCabe canvas for Buffalo. Shining Stars Red, Carolina Hurricanes, Jeff Skinner. Jeff Skinner red for Carolina, last 2 packs. That one is a base pack. 4 more base cards, and the last pack of Stars 1, 17-18. We got a Young Guns for the Buffalo Sabres, CJ Smith. CJ Smith, Young Guns for Buffalo. So that was Series 1, 17-18. Nice hit for the Flyers. Nolan Patrick, Young Gun canvas. Alright, next I'm going to do our hobby box. There's just something. I think we're all good. Perfect. Yeah, true. Last time was metal stack from Artifacts. I remember. Alright, so Series 1, 14-15. Hopefully those packs will be easy to open now. Alright, first pack. Starting with a sticky cards. Aki Heroes, Detroit Red Wings, Steve Yzerman. Yzerman, Aki Heroes for the Wings. Next we got a Shining Stars for the Chicago Blackhawks Blue. Jonathan Toews. Jonathan Toews, Shining Stars Blue for Chicago. Next, we got a canvas for the Edmonton Oilers, Nail Yakupov. Another canvas of Yakupov for Edmonton. Next, we have our first Young Guns. Young Guns for the Buffalo Sabres, Sam Reinhart. Reinhart, Young Guns for Buffalo. That one is a base card. 4 base cards. 4 more base cards. Base deck. Next we got a Shining Stars for the Flyers, Claude Giroux. Damaged edge there. Claude Giroux, the damaged edge for the Flyers. Next, we get the Aki Heroes paint. So random to the Detroit Red Wings and New Jersey Devils, Nicholas Lidstrom and Marty Brodeur. So random between the Wings and the Devils. Next, we got a Shining Stars for the LA Kings, Anze Kopitar. Kopitar, Shining Stars for the Los Angeles Kings. Canvas for the New York Rangers, Richard Nash. Rick Nash canvas for the Rangers. Next, we got a Young Guns for the New York Rangers, Anthony Duclair. New York Rangers, Young Guns, Duclair. Next, that one is a base pack. 4 base cards. 4 more base cards. Base pack, pack number 12, last of our first half. We got another base pack. 4 base cards. And 4 more base cards. That was first half. Let's do second half. Pack 13. Pack easy to open. I like that. Starting with base pack. Next one, we got a Young Guns for the Nashville Predators, Kalle Järnkrok. Yankrup Young Guns for Nashville. Young Gun canvas for the Boston Bruins, Alexander Kovalchev. So Kovalchev, Young Gun canvas for Boston. Utica game jersey, Washington Capitals, John Carlson. John Carlson jersey for Washington. For base cards. 4 more base cards. Base back. Next we got a Young Guns for the Calgary Flames, Johnny Gaudreau. So Gaudreau, Young Guns for Calgary, nice. Unigame jersey for the Montreal Canadiens, Alex Galchenyuk. Galchenyuk jersey for Montreal. Next we got a Young Guns for the Detroit Red Wings, Andrei Nestrasil. Nestrasil Young Guns for the Wings. Canvas for the Winnipeg Jets, Dustin Byfuglien. Hello, that's a surprise. Shining Stars for the Edmonton Oilers, Wayne Gretzky. Gretzky, Shining Stars for the Edmonton Oilers. Last feedback. So 4 base cards. 4 more base pack, and the last one. We got a Young Guns for the Montreal Canadiens, Yuri Sikak. Sikak, Young Guns for the Montreal Canadiens. So that was Series 1, 14-15. Nicest recovery. Gaudreau. Alright, Series 2, 16-17. So everybody knows it. Marner, Lane, Barzo, Matthews canvas. So many good Young Gun canvas in that one. Good shot, 20, connecting, Provorov. Alright, first pack. Starting with the Young Guns for the Florida Panthers, Cal Rowe. Cal Rowe, Young Guns for Florida. Next, we got a canvas for the LA Kings, Jake Muzzin. Muzzin canvas for the Los Angeles Kings. Next pack, we got a rookie for the Vancouver Canucks, Troy Stecher. Stecher, rookie for the Vancouver Canucks. Portraits for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Nikita Zaitsev. Zaitsev portraits for the Leafs. Next, we got Young Guns for the Buffalo Sabres, Nick Betsis. Betsis, Young Guns, Buffalo Sabres. Marquee rookie for the Buffalo Sabres, Nick Schmaltz. Nick Schmaltz, marquee rookie, Chicago. Update for the Edmonton Oilers, Milan Lucic. Lucic update for the Edmonton Oilers. Next, we got a canvas for the Winnipeg Jets, Mathieu Perreault. Mathieu Perreault canvas for Winnipeg. Young Guns Columbus, Marcus Nitsuvera. Nitsuvera, Young Guns for Columbus. Portraits for the Ottawa Senators, Thomas Chabot. Chabot portraits for Ottawa. Marquee rookie for the San Jose Sharks, Kevin Lepa. Pack number 12. We got our base cards. 4 base cards. 4 more base cards. So that was your first half. Second half, there we go. Starting with the Young Guns for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Brendan Leipzig. Leipzig, Young Guns for the Leafs. Next, we got a canvas for the Ottawa Senators, Derek Brassard. Derek Brassard, canvas for Ottawa. Rookie for the Anaheim Ducks, Jacob Larson. The Larson rookie for the Ducks. Porches for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Nikita Zaitsev. Zaitsev, Porches for the Leafs. Young Guns for the Coyotes, Anthony DeAngelo. DeAngelo, Young Guns for Buffalo, for Arizona. Whoa. Marquee rookie for the Winnipeg Jets, Kyle Connor. My boy. Kyle Connor. Marquee rookie for the Jets. Next one, what we have? Marquee rookie for the Buffalo Sabres. Oh yeah, Buffalo. Colorado Avalanche, AJ Greer. AJ Greer, Colorado Avalanche, marquee rookie. Next one, we get a canvas, Pittsburgh Penguins. Patrick Hornqvist. Hornqvist, canvas for Pittsburgh. Right. 4 packs left. What do we have? Young Guns for the New Jersey Devils, Scott Wedgwood. Scott Wedgwood, Young Guns for New Jersey. What's going on? Portraits for the New York Rangers, Pavel Buchnevich. Buchnevich, portraits for the Rangers. Last 2 packs. We get a marquee rookie foil, Carolina, Sebastian Aho. And the last pack. We got a jersey. What do we have? Rookie materials for the Montreal Canadiens, Michael Sergachev. So Sergachev, rookie materials for the Montreal Canadiens. That was 16-17 Series 2. Next, I will do the ice box. So second box of the case. Let's see. First bag. Alright, so we start with a Ice Premiers, number 499 for the Boston Bruins. Jacob Forsbacka-Karlsson. Forsbacka-Karlsson out of 499 for Boston. Second pack. Ice Premiers, number 999, St. Louis Blues, Jordan Schmaltz. Jordan Schmaltz out of 999 for the Blues. Third pack. We've got a Frozen Foursome, so quad jersey for the Winnipeg Jets. Blake Wheeler, Mark Scheifele, Patrick Lange, and Nikolai Ehlers. So quad jersey for the Jets. Pack number 4. Sub-Zero for the Vegas Golden Knights. James Neal. James Neal, Sub-Zero for Vegas. Pack number 5. Ice Premiers autograph number 299 for the St. Louis Blues, Valley Uso. Uso autograph for the Blues. And last pack of ice. We got the Ice Premiers number 999 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Andreas Borgman. Borgman out of 999 for the Leafs. So, that was ice. Next, of course, I'm going to do an artifacts box. Whoa. Alright. First bets. Starting with the Artifact Rookie Redemption for the New Jersey Devils. Ooh. Shake it up. New Jersey Devils Rookie Redemption. Next, we got a dual jersey rookie, number 499 for the Buffalo Sabres, Casey Mittelstadt. Casey Mittelstadt, dual jersey rookie out of 499 for Buffalo. Next pack, Divisional Pacific, jersey for the Anaheim Ducks. Rickard Reichel. Rickard Reichel, jersey for the Ducks. Next, we got a base, number 299 for the Ottawa Senators, Matt Duchene. Duchene out of 299 for Ottawa. Oh, patch. That's a nice one. Dual patches, 2 out of 15 autograph for this team, Buffalo Sabres, Sam Reinhart. So dual patches out of 15 for Buffalo, Sam Reinhart. Next, we got a base, number 299, Buffalo Sabres, Sam Reinhart. Sam Reinhart, 299 for Buffalo. Even the base card was a Sam Reinhart. Last two packs of artifacts. We start with 8. Base number 299 for the Vancouver Canucks, Bo Horvat. We've got a year 1 rookie sweaters, New York Islanders, Josh Osang. So 2 hits and that one. And the last pack of artifacts. We've got a base number 45, 37 out of 45 for the Calgary Flames, Matthew Tkachuk. Tkachuk for the Calgary Flames out of 45. So that was artifacts, good box. Next, no surprise, I'm going to do SP Identic. First man. Alright, so we start with an update for the Anaheim Ducks. Adam Henrik. Adam Henrik update for the Anaheim Ducks. Next, we got a milestone, Colorado Avalanche, Peter Forsberg. Peter Forsberg, milestone for the Colorado Avalanche. What? Alright, perfect. Next, we got a red for the New York Rangers, Kevin Shattenkirk. Shattenkirk red for the Rangers. Bag number 4, Young Guns for the New York Islanders, Tanner Fritz. Tanner Fritz, Young Guns for the Islanders. Milestone for the Florida Panthers, Aaron Ekblad. Ekblad milestone for the Florida Panthers. Next, we got a red, Calgary Flames, Matthew Tkachuk. Tkachuk red for Calgary. Authentic moment for the San Jose Sharks, Joe Thornton. Joe Thornton, San Jose Sharks authentic moment. Next one, authentic moment, Washington Capitals. Alex Ovechkin. Ovechkin for Washington. Update for the Ottawa Senators, Matt Duchene. Spectrum for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Austin Matthews. Austin Matthews, Spectrum for the Leafs. Pack 11. Right, first autograph we're good. Future Watch autograph, number 299 for the Carolina Hurricanes, Ronald McNabb. So 999 Future Watch of McNabb for Carolina. Pack number 12. Milestone, Washington Capitals, Alex Ovechkin. 6 packs left. Still missing an autograph. Alright, we got a. I'll use a one touch for it. We'll use a one touch for it. We've got a Young Gun Acetate. So that team really is multis. But there it is. Alright, so I'm going to take care of it later. Because the card doesn't fit in a one touch, but it's a Young Gun Acetate for the Vegas Golden Knights, Maxime Lagacé. So Lagacé Acetate for the Vegas Golden Knights. I'll put it in a one touch, in the top loader, because it doesn't fit in a one touch, and I won't damage the card. And we also have an authentic moment for Pittsburgh, Anthony Malkin. Anthony Malkin. So nice for Vegas, Young Gun Acetate. That one is a decoy. Alright, but we're still missing an autograph. Next, we got a Future Watch Spectrum Level 1 Florida Panthers, Henrik Haapala. Haapala, Future Watch Spectrum Level 1 for Florida. Of course, next pack. That one is a patch. Oh, Future Watch Auto Patch, 56 out of 100. Not the best player, but look at that patch. Los Angeles Kings, Michael Amadio. Well, that's a really nice patch for the Los Angeles Kings. Michael Amadio, Future Watch patch. Next, we got a milestone for the Detroit Red Wings, Marcel Dion. Red for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Phil Kessel. And last pack of SP Authentic, we got a Young Guns for the Washington Capitals, Travis Boyd. Travis Boyd, Young Guns for Washington. Alright, so that was SP Authentic. Young Gun Acetate, Future Watch patch with a super nice patch. Cup patch. That's a good box. Spender. Good luck, everybody. What do we have? Alright, we got a stick autograph. 4 out of 15. For the Flyers, Bobby Clarke. So Bobby Clarke stick autograph 4 out of 15 for the Flyers. That was the last hit of our break. That's it. So we're done with that one. 4180. Hope you liked it. Let me get set up for a random. So it was the Wings and the New Jersey Devils. So Nicholas Lidstrom and Morty Brother. Switch the camera side. We're here. Good luck, everybody. We're good. Perfect. First, second, third, and last. On top, we've got New Jersey Devils with Morty Brother. So with that being said, I'll go eat. I need to eat. But I'll be back with something, guys. So thanks. I'll be back with another one. See you later.